if the data fiduciary is supposed to give a report, that also means that there is this continuing theme in this law: the data fiduciary, the data principle, the data fiduciary, the data principle. But if we look statistically at the entire tech world in India, majority of the players are actually data processors. Now the problem with this thing is that we may feel that, okay, when we are preparing our internal checklists, when we are preparing our dashboards, we may completely overlook the obligations of a data fiduciary or a data principal, thinking that that's not us. What the problem that we are going to face in this regard is going to be that there are a lot of rights of the data principal. There are a lot of rights of the data fiduciary. Whatever the data fiduciary has to comply, the moment they're dealing with a data processor, it becomes their right. And the vagueness of the rules is such that the data fiduciary and the consent managers, who are the dark horse in this game, and we'll come to that, are going to be the people who dictate contractual terms. And that is going to change the way our contracts shape going forward. For which I think we advise a lot of data processors, obviously, especially in the interface of regulation, be it insurance, mutual funds, bullion, and even in e-commerce, many times when there is an interface of regulation, things like how you're supposed to store insecticides, right? So it's not like every business in India is somewhere or the other dealing with a regulated entity presently. And the moment you deal with a regulated entity, and mind you, every data fiduciary now will become a regulated entity, no matter which space they are operating in. If they are taking the consent of a data principal, they are regulated by the Data Protection Board of India, and they are then going to dictate terms to you. So how do data processors deal with this? Our advice to data processors will always be prepared. You need a lot of preparation. You need to prepare the answers that you have to give to your client. If you want to actually up this game, what you need to do is map all the responsibilities that are flowing through. You probably need our help, and we are here for you. And identify where your systems can align with it already. Secondly, what we would advise you is be prepared with the answers.